I bet you have never heard of the sunniest city in Switzerland. Nestled at the top of Lago Maggiore, with its unique Swiss-Italian charm and surrounded by a picturesque green valley, Locarno is a place that has been cherished by the Swiss for years, but it's a well-kept secret from the rest of the world. And guess what? It happens to be my hometown, so let's check out how to spend one day in Locarno. One of the things that you absolutely have to do in Locarno is catch the gondola that reaches Madonna del Sasso. It runs around 50 minutes every time. I will leave the link down below about the website because I'm not 100% sure. But we reach Madonna del Sasso, and in fact now I'm going to show you how it is. We arrive in Madonna del Sasso, which is this amazing church. It's one of the most important religious sites of Canton Ticino, and it was founded around 1487, so pretty long time ago. 100% recommended to come here because not only the church is stunning and all the architecture and the drawings, but as well it has an incredible view above Locarno, Lake Maggiore, the mountain on the other side of the lake, and all the landscape itself. It's beautiful. And if it's a sunny day, even better, you can stop to get something to drink upstairs to the bar, and also get a gondola, and if you want, goes up to Carrera Cimetta for a mountain day. After you went up to Madonna del Sasso, you can come back to Locarno, always with the gondola, and start to stroll around the road, the streets. We have this super nice covered corridor, in English, I have no idea the word. A lot of shops around, there are a lot of bars where you can stop for some breakfast or some bites. It's very nice and relaxing, especially maybe on a summertime, because you are covered with the shadow, and it's just super lovely and chill to go around. Once you walk through the arcades, apparently that's the word that I was looking for, you end up in Piazza Grande, which is the main plaza of Locarno. And today we are very lucky because it's Thursday and there is a local market with a lot of handcraft stuff, clothes. Remember, it's Swiss prices, so it's gonna be pretty freaking expensive. But except of that, it's super nice. You can find also the typical products of Ticino region, such as cheese, salami, liquor, and much more, which I recommend to try because they are simply delicious. And you support the locals too. This is the first time that I'm experiencing this with that kind of tourist point of view. It's just super cute because you just walk around, there's a stubble, stone ground all around the plaza, and you can still see the rails of where the tram back in the days was passing by. And the architecture is very pretty. I think they can't really change the place here because it's like a UNESCO heritage. I don't think it's UNESCO, but it's kind of the thing. That's the reason why all the buildings in the Piazza Grande are like this. And if you keep walking down Piazza Grande, you will reach the end point, which has Castello Visconteo, which is the medieval castle of Locarno. If you want, catch a sandwich or something, sit on the ruins here and enjoy the view on the castle. And if you want to take a step forward, you can even get a ticket to enter inside. Got a tour all around with the history and everything. And I think it's a cool experience to do. I actually haven't done it since I was in first grade. So I would definitely recommend it. If you keep walking toward the castle, you will reach an arch that leads you towards the old city of Locarno, which is my favorite part of the city when it comes about the narrow street and picturesque corners everywhere. Something I haven't considered before is the fact that even though it's the end of August, so it's super hot, through this narrow street there is some breeze that passes by, and it's so nice to just being here and not get a stroke, So definitely recommend it to come to the old city part of Locarno. If you ask me, I would have never thought that I will end up vlogging in my city and just showing you guys around things. It's so cool. I'm so happy to be able to bring you with me here as well and just, walk down memory lane. Talking about memory lane, that dude is hiking into that window since 25 years. I'm getting so hungry, so I'm gonna bring you in my favorite place to eat pinza, which is a kind of a pizza, but just smaller, and I don't know, I love it, it's yummer. And it's basically pizza with another type of flour. This is make it much lighter. Honestly, you have to come to Archet if you come to Locarno to have pinza as well, so one of the cheapest things that you can get here, because this is around between 11 and 13 Swiss francs based on what you want to get. I recommend to get the plebe or this one, which is the tritone pizza, which is tomato, mozzarella and raw ham, and it's delicious. Enjoy your meal. Another cool things to do in Locarno that I didn't know actually because I was already living in Asia is the Walk of Fame. The Walk of Fame Locarno is a collection of the handprints made by some of the top musicians who have visited Locarno for Moon and Star, which is the musical festival that brings Piazza Grande, where we were before, to life every once a year. So let's check them out. Yeah, high five. After the Walk of Fame, you literally find yourself in front of the Lago Maggiore, which is a huge lake. The 80 or 90% is in Italy and the remaining is in Switzerland. In fact, here is where the lake ends. And it's a great time then to just take a stroll on the promenade, which is very, very nice. If you're lazy like me, you can also jump on the little blue train and take a stroll around Locarno. So they just bring you around and it's super cool. In Lago Maggiore, it's not a surprise that you can enjoy so many types of water activity, such as pedalò, stand-up paddle, wakeboard, surfboard, rent a board, and if you're lucky, see some fishes, which, by the way, they aren't really cute. We arrive in Burbaglio, which is this lovely park, which is literally next to the lake. So if you want to take a swimsuit and a towel with you, you literally have the lake behind me, you can jump in it, and it's really, really nice. I mean, even the water is very clean today, which is not always like that, but I mean, look at this. You can see below. Really, really important that you Aperitivo when you're here, which is around 5:30. You go to a bar, you order an Aperol Spritz or a Ugo or a Italus, which is a mix between them that I love it. Now my friend is like, shut up, Sara. That's an aperitif. You enjoy the sunset, you enjoy something to drink and some like small tapas, and it's a very thing here. And I really hope you enjoy this quick tour around the Locarno. I mean, it's a small village, so you can really spend just one day and check it out, basically all of it. But if you pass by Ticino or Switzerland, I would definitely recommend it, not only because of Locarno, but because there are also so many beautiful hidden gems in this area of Switzerland that sometimes people don't think about it because maybe they go to Zermatt or to Zurich and so on. So I definitely recommend to come in this area. Let me know how you like it. I come from here, so I was really happy to share with you my city. And remember to like and subscribe to the video, and I will see you next weekend with another one. Bye!